just to denotify this SH8. The reason is we are also thinking of our future generation. If we are fighting for this for so long, you can imagine what is going to happen to our future generation. Because what is really going to be affected is also the school.
Yeah,
the school, the church, and everything. So we are not, and the houses, the ground, school children.
Of course, there were positive vibes from the ministers. Alternate is already there. 2011, 2021, on the regional plane, highway SH8 is shown through Akembaish, Dikarpalli, Davorli, Sansadiarial, Baroda, Kepens, and Kutshore. Now, they seem to be forcibly trying to impose it on Chandor now. We have been to the PWD minister, we have been to the ECP minister, and everybody who met us. And we have tried all avenues. Our MLA, of course, was supporting us, and he gave us positive vibes. But what happened is the MLA did not take priority on this movement. He only took up the issues of Konkani and the electric department issues, and the Chandor issue was not taken up by him very seriously. So we said we will meet people who matter, and for us also matters the ex-MLA of Konkani, Mr. Joke Malema.
So the asset group committee and the core committee decided that we should approach our ex-MLA. Anybody who helps us. We are ready for anybody to go anywhere to get this SH8 removed from our Chandor village.